All right, we are here at the Anderson building at the University of Kentucky, Lexington. See, black door equipment, basic cab, but we got a ThyssenDover. Up to a P, ADA phone, and it literally says it right on the certificate. Here on P, this obviously uses either a TAC 5 or a newer, very late Dover DMC controller. And that chime's really weak and quiet. It's got your electric eyes over here, and it's got your bumper, which even the latest of Dover still have. Let's go down to B. Here's a view of the cab. Just your basic large university elevator cab. You can get a view of both the impulse panel and the fixtures back here. Here on B, the button will go out. Here we'll go back up to 1. Here on 1. And the button goes out. Elevator 3. So there's 2 more on the other side of the building to check out. Anyways, there it goes. And that's gonna be it.